there was an Asante citizen called Kwame, who had previously collected money from the British and had promised to show them where the golden stool was. He was a person no one could take seriously. According to Claridge, before the governor and his men left Accra for Kumasi, he had a young man called Kwame, who told him that he knew where the golden stool was being kept and that the custodians of the stool were tired of keeping watch over it day and night. He needed some gift from the governor to induce them to give it up to him. The informant, Kwame, also dressed in military uniform to disguise his identity. That was why the governor stated in his speech that he would by all means get the golden stool. Immediately after the meeting ended, he detailed some soldiers to leave the Kumasi fort with the informant in the night to go and start the search for the golden stool. Early the following